We all love to hear the stories where the protagonist rises from rags to riches. So here is the story of 7 women protagonists who not only changed their own lives but also influenced thousands of other women into their footsteps. The story of Lijjat Papad. Starting their journey way back in 1959, in 1990 they became the snack food of every Indian household. So in this video I'm going to share how these 7 women not only empowered themselves but also empowered other women, and how they have taken rupees 80 business to making a turnover of 1600 crore business. Amazing. Stay tuned. Hello one and all, this is Shimita Paul, Principal of St. Stephen's School. Welcomes you all in my channel Shimita Speaks. This is the space where I share anything and everything about nurturing. If anything of this resonates with you, then please subscribe to my channel.
The 7 Gujarati women who lived in Lohana Niwas, Girgaon in Mumbai wanted to start a venture to create a sustainable livelihood using the only skill they had known, that is cooking. So the woman borrowed rupees 80 from Chhagan Lal Karamsi Parekh, a member of the Servants of the India Society and a social worker. They took over a loss-making factory by Lakshmi Das Bhai and bought the necessary ingredients and the basic infrastructure required to manufacture the papads. So way back on 15th March 1959, these women gathered on the terrace of their building and started with the production of 4 packets of papads. Their first earning was only 50 paise, which now has a turnover of 1600 crore. It currently employs over 45,000 people in 62 divisions all over the country. Till date, the institute has produced more than 4.2 billion papads. And it is fascinating, to say the least, that they haven't employed a single machine in the process. Yes, all the papads are handmade by employees. Saying employees would be also wrong, because there is no single owner for this cooperative. The papad making process designed in such a way where Lijjat sisters, as the employees are known, can roll the papad at their own homes at their convenient time. Now the dough for the papad is kneaded at the center, where the quality is assured and checked regularly. Now these Lijjat sisters take their share of dough for the day and deposit the papads made a day before. The payment for their labor is done every week to keep the accounting simple and transparent. The institute has not only earned a firm footing in the business world only, but also has a name for itself by receiving many awards along the way. The Economic Times Award given to the institution for Corporate Excellence Businesswoman of the Year on 6 September 2002. The institution has also received an award from Khadi and Village Industries as the Best Village Industry Institution. Award from the former Honorable Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee in 1999. Even in the field of corporate social responsibility, the institute is not left behind. The cooperative movement began by Lijjat Papad contributed greatly in women empowerment. They also concentrate on educating their Lijjat sister regularly. Shri Mahila Griha Udyog Lijjat Papad. The organization's main objective is empowerment of women by providing them employment opportunities. Primarily a cottage industry, urban by its origin, which has spread to the rural areas, it had an annual more than rupees 800 million worth of exports in 2019. It is considered as one of the most remarkable entrepreneurial initiatives by women that is identified with female empowerment in India. These are the names of 7 women who have contributed in the making of Shri Mahila Griha Udyog Lijjat Papad, and they are Jaswanti Ben Jamnadas Popat, Parvati Ben Ramdas Thodani, Ujjain Ben Narandas Kundalia, Banu Ben N Tana, Lagu Ben Amritlal Gokani, Jaya Ben V Vithlani, and Diwali Ben Luka. On the eve of Republic Day this year, the Union government announced the highest civilian honors, that is Padma Shri, to Jaswanti Ben Jamnadas Popat for her illustrious and motivating performance and efforts. किसी को भी मत कहने दो कि तुम कमज़ोर हो क्योंकि तुम औरत हो. महिला अबला नहीं सबला है, जीवन कैसे जीना है ये उसका फैसला है.
This story reveals that how a simple idea can bring a big revolution in the society. We all have ideas and capacities. What we all need is believe in ourselves, believe in our idea, and take a drive and move forward. So I hope, dear all, that you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, then please like, share and comment in my box, because that is going to give me the motivation and direction to make new videos for you all. Thank you all. Take care. Stay blessed. Bye.